Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to create Moonton account in Mobile Legends. So first you need to click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen right here, and now you need to click on account, which is located at the left bottom, and now you need to click on this Moonton account. Here you need to click on tap to connect. After that, in this box, you need to type a valid email address. So I will just go ahead and type my email address. And after that, I will create a password for my Moonton account. So now that I have placed my email address and a password, I will click on submit. After that, you will see this box where they have sent you a verification email. So don't click on this check email button right here. Just close your ML and go to your actual Gmail, because if you click on that button, it will open your browser. So here I've got an email from Moonton. I just need to click on activate now, and it will activate my Moonton account in the specific ML account that I'm using. So it has been verified. I'll go back and I'll just claim these because I have now gained a free gift from Moonton. And there you go. You have just created a Moonton account in Mobile Legends. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.